this one is a new troubleshooting app that we're coming out with.
Yeah.
And basically, pilots use it for like the pre-flight and all they do. Or when a customer's having problems, they just hit the one button and it'll automatically run the check. And then what we'll get here soon is we'll get all our check marks or X's, so it'll tell them if it's good connectivity in the back or not.
Okay, so what are we looking at here?
So once it finishes the network check, what it'll do is it'll give you a green check mark for everything. So it tells us we're connected to the wireless.
Yeah.
It tells us the local IP address that's given to the device.
Yeah.
What we're concerned about here too is the gateway address. If you have a bad gateway address, we can tell there's something wrong in the router.
Okay.
And then here we're pinging 4.2 as well as Google, which tells us whether there's what's called a DNS problem, which is the translation from Google to a particular IP address.
Does it do a speed test as well?
The speed test is actually coming out in about 2 weeks.
Okay.
And what we're doing is we're doing an FTP file transfer speed test rather than like a speedtest.net type of speed test.
Okay.
Because that way it's a fixed file size that's always transferring the same amount of data, which is really the way to do the test.
Oh, that's interesting though. Oh,
and then we allow customers the option to either email it or text it to our support department. We click on the email. There's all the information that will go to our support department. The one thing that you didn't see on the other page is it does a trace route, which if we see it stop somewhere along the way, we can tell that something's being blocked, whether it be if it stopped at Inmarsat or if it stopped at the router itself.
Okay. Wow. That's awesome. And then you can you'll know and troubleshoot. And
correct. We'll call them up and we'll ask them. Yeah.
What did you just say?
It actually stands for Mobile Access Troubleshooting Application, but it's actually named after me. It's my last name.
It's your last name.
Our owner actually came up with the name. It was my idea, my specs, but the owner came up with our name.
Oh, really? Oh, fantastic. Oh, that must give you great pride to see it every time.
Definitely.
Thank you.